What is JMeter and how does it work? JMeter is an open-source tool used for load and performance testing. It simulates heavy loads on web applications, databases, FTP servers, and other services to measure their performance under different conditions. It works by sending requests to the server and measuring the response times, throughput, and other metrics. What are the advantages of using JMeter? JMeter is free and open source, easy to install and use, supports multiple protocols, can be used for functional and performance testing, and provides rich reporting and analysis features. What are the different components of JMeter? JMeter has several components, including the test plan, thread group, samplers, listeners, timers, assertions, and configuration elements. What is a thread group in JMeter? A thread group is a group of users that simulates real-world traffic on the server. It defines the number of threads, the ramp-up period, the duration of the test, and other settings. What are samplers in JMeter? Samplers are responsible for sending requests to the server and recording the response times and other metrics. They support multiple protocols, including HTTP, FTP, JDBC, and JMS. What are listeners in JMeter? Listeners are used to collect and display the results of the test. They can display results in various formats, including tables, graphs, and charts. What is a timer in JMeter? A timer is used to add a delay between requests sent by the thread group. It helps simulate real-world traffic and prevent overwhelming the server with too many requests at once. What are assertions in JMeter? Assertions are used to verify the response received from the server. They check if the response contains the expected values or meets the specified criteria. How can you run JMeter tests in a distributed environment? JMeter supports running tests in a distributed environment by using a master-slave architecture. The master coordinates the test execution and collects the results, while the slaves send requests to the server and collect the metrics. What are some best practices for using JMeter? Some best practices for using JMeter include setting realistic load scenarios, using realistic test data, validating the test environment, using monitoring tools to measure server performance, and analyzing the results to identify bottlenecks and performance issues.